Good morning, students. Now we will do maths of high secondary second year. Now it is revision classes, so we are going to do some revision on this one. So one question now we are doing, find the inverse by elementary row transformation. So question is like that: find the inverse of matrix 1 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2. So how we will calculate this one, the inverse of this one? For that we will take solution is like that. Generally question is coming 4 marks or 6 marks like that. So first we will write let A is equal to 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2. I have taken this one as A. We know A is equal to I into A, implies 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 8. Then we will do one simple calculation. It is 1 1 4 we can make, and 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2, and this one 1 1 minus 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 A. If we make R1 is R1 plus R2 minus R3. So then we will do 1 1 1 4 0 0 minus 5 0 minus 5 minus 10, and this one is equal to 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 3 4 into A. And here command is that row 2 second row, if we write R2 second row minus twice R1, that is double of row 1 if we deduct from row 2. And another thing, row 3 here we have used, and it is row 3 is row 3 minus thrice row 1. Then we can get only this. From this step to this step we have done these things. Now we will interchange this one little bit to now we will write 1 1 4 0 minus 5 minus 10 0 0 minus 5 is equal to 1 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 4 minus 2 minus 1 2. These things we have done interchanging second row and third row. If we interchange, then we can get this one. Then next step, it is 1 1 4 0 1 2 and 0 0 1. This will be 1 1 minus 1 3 by 5 3 by 5, then minus 4 by 5 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Here common is into A. Here common what we have done, R2 is our minus 1 by 5 row 2. That is old row 2 if we divide by minus 1, then this one, and row 3 if we write it is as minus 1 by 5 row 2. After that, we will get one, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. This side also little in between, minus 3 by 5, then 1 by 5, then 3 by 5, then minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. This we can get if we write our row 2 is row 2 minus twice row 3, and row 1 is row 1 minus 4 row 3. This command if we want it, then we can get this one. These are actually commands of this one. For that we can get, and finally we achieve this one. Finally we will get this one, that 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and this will be, here it will be minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, then minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Of course it is minus 2 by 5. What we have done here? We have written here row 1 is row 1 minus row 2. So then this one will be our inverse. So what is our inverse? So we will add. Therefore, required A inverse is this set. This matrix minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5. Then minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this is our required inverse. So this is, you will try. So this is our answer. Then I think this is important. For final also, every time you will get this one is a method for it. So now we will do another sum. This one is, suppose question is f are 2 are real number to real number, and fx is 4x plus 3. Then we have to show f is invertible. Show f is invertible. So already we have done. Invertible means that whether inverse exists, and find f inverse. Invertible means that whether inverse exists or not. So for inverse exist, we have to do what? Show that f is 1, 1 and 1, 2. Let fx1 is equal to fx2 implies 4x1 4x2 plus 3. After cancellation, we get x1 is equal to x2 implies f is 1, 1. Okay, so first one problem, let y is equal to 4x plus 3. Then implies x will be what? Y minus 3 by 4. So this is x belongs to 3 by 4 and it is belongs to R, and fx, that is f y minus 3 by 4 is 4 y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. If we cancel, then ultimately we get y. Implies y is 1, f is 1, 2. Now see, f is 1, 1, f is 1, 2. Therefore, f is invertible. That is, we can able to calculate the inverse. Now they say find F inverse. So this part, that is invertible one, finished. Now we are going to calculate the F inverse. Now see, let G is from R to R, and from this one we get an idea Gx is equal to x minus 3 by 4, and FOGX is equal to FGX is equal to Gx is our x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 into x minus 3 by 4 plus 3. After cancellation, this is x, so it is Ix. Similarly, GOFX, this is also Ix. Therefore, F inverse is G. So that is the answer of this one. Then, next question. If A vector, B vector, C vector are unit vectors, and A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector, find A vector dot B vector, B vector dot C vector, C vector dot A vector. They have asked to do. Now how to do it? Given A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 implies A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot, same thing we will multiply, A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector dot 0 vector. If we multiply these things in both the sides, that is this dot vector A vector plus C vector. Now this will give what? A vector dot A vector, B vector dot B vector, C vector dot C vector, plus twice A vector dot B vector, B vector dot C vector, C vector dot A vector, and this one 0 vector. Now this one is what? 1, 1, 1, and this is A vector as it is, AB, BC plus CA. So our required AB, BC, CA is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of this one. So student, you prepare yourself for today's exam. You have to try for what is equivalence relation, you try for this one. Another thing, suppose I vector, J vector, dot K vector. These are 3 unit vector. Then remember, I vector cross J vector is what? K vector. J vector cross K vector is what? I vector. But if it is reverse, that is K vector cross J vector, it will be minus I cap. This you remember, K vector cross J vector is always negative of unit vector I vector. Then injective, surjective you will do, matrix you will try, and then this one. So you will try for your exam and give your best effort in this exam. This exam, don't take it lightly, very important, maybe it is. So that's all today. Give your attendance in your comment box.